Ever wonder about the force behind the beauty revolution sweeping through India? Meet Falguni Nayar, the visionary who dared to redefine the way we shop cosmetics. Raised in the heart of Mumbai, Falguni's journey from a middle-class upbringing to the helm of a booming e-commerce empire is nothing short of inspiring. Battling skepticism and societal norms, she blazed a trail, founding Nykaa in 2012. With her unyielding spirit, she transformed Nykaa into a household name, a haven for beauty enthusiasts nationwide. But her story is more than just success. It's a testament to resilience, determination, and the power of a single dream. Today, as she continues to push boundaries and inspire countless others, Falguni Nayar stands as a beacon of hope for every aspiring entrepreneur. Join us as we delve into the extraordinary journey of a woman who refused to be limited by convention. This is the story of Falguni Nayar.